One of the practices that really helped me was forgiveness. I understood that forgiveness was not about the other person, but it was actually about me releasing my pain in me, my suffering in me. It's about self love. What you did was fine. I need to let go of that so that I can end my own suffering. I mean, why should I let someone who hurt me live rent free in my head? At least pay some rent, cover utilities or something. The bill is $5,000 plus emotional baggage for every month. You see, we think that not forgiving someone will make them change. Aha! I shall hold all of this grudge forever. That will teach them. They're chilling in their backyard. I am suffering. But guess what? They didn't even know. And I am replaying the moment in my head like it's my favorite Netflix series. Here comes the part where they betray me again. Enough. Let's get real. The hurt we hold on to isn't even about them anymore. Maybe they just hurt us once, but we hurt ourselves 1,000 times over by replaying it. That's like getting stung by a bee and running into a beehive just to prove a point. Forgiving is loving yourself. So when we forgive, we are really forgiving ourselves. We are saying, hey, I refuse to keep hurting myself over and over again over something that wasn't even about me in the first place, because they did what they did because of their circumstances. What someone else does has more to do with their issues than it does with me. My sister called me dumb when I was a child because my mom shouted at her and I was the receiving end. Now imagine you are giving a speech and two people get up and leave. And you think, oh no, I'm a failure, they hate me. How could they do this to me there? Oh yeah. But actually, one person just needed to go to the toilet and the other, they wanted to nothing to do with me or you giving the speech. So what do? We practice letting go. We use affirmations like I release, I choose to release and let go. And before you know it, bam, you are less triggered if you keep repeating it consistently. And eventually, you are not triggered at all. It's so easy. Train your mind. Insults? Rejection? Missed me? Negative vibes? Try again? Nothing triggers me. I forgave myself for not always loving my parents and siblings perfectly. And I learned how to love them unconditionally every day. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful place to be in. Because this is our true self when we love, and love flows from us. We don't hold on to the negativity, but we spread love. So let's make that a choice. Let's love. Let's release. And if you're still holding on to that grudge from when you were a child or 2015, maybe it's time to let it go, my friend. Because self love means you deserve peace. And alright, if this made you laugh, at least made you think, smash that like button and hit subscribe and comment below your experiences, or whatever is that one thing that you finally choose to let go today. Start a movement of healing in your life.